Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got this Northern European grotesque mace. Well, it's not very grotesque at the moment, but look at this. So this is another one we'll talk about in another film, but they're not dissimilar. The back of this is a fairly similar pattern to this one, but then you turn it around and you have what we know in the office here as Mr. Ugly on the front, with his big, very Roman looking nose actually. It's from Norway, Bergen Museum, round about 1300. And as far as I know, it is absolutely unique in the world of maces, or Western European maces, of having something fairly normal on one side and something completely off the wall on the other. Now, I've got a theory about this, and of course we will never know the answer, but when you make these maces, or what they do is you carve it in wax. So beeswax, you stiffen it up a bit with rosin, make it a bit more handleable, but you mould each individual piece and then you lost wax cast them. That's how they did it. I think that what happened is you've just got Thor and Urkill sitting down very bored one day on a Friday afternoon, looking forward to a nice bit of mead, and Thor goes, you know what? And he does a little bit of that and goes, oi, Urkill, look at that. And I think that's what it is. It's just a guy messing around, just making that. It's the only explanation I have because it's such a ridiculous object. However, it is a ridiculous object mounted on an ash shaft and based on one in Bergen Museum. And like all our maces, you can buy them mounted, you can buy just the heads. See ya.